welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own bolster. So for yoga we often use bolsters for supportive poses, especially in restorative. So here are some bolsters that you can typically purchase. There are many different shapes and kinds. It just happens to be the kind that I prefer to use for my restorative practice. And a bolster is nice and firm, and it also is often about the same length as your tailbone to the base of your neck. You can also get some longer bolsters for restorative practice, which is really nice because you can lay on them and they fully support your spine for the most part. So I'll just show you how to make a homemade bolster. So I've already got one made up here. It's just a comforter rolled nice and tight, and I've used an old tie and just a belt from one of my bathrobes to tie that up nice and tight and hold it still. So it's not as firm as one of these guys back here, but it's still pretty good to use for restorative practice. So I'll show you how to make one of these. So I've grabbed a couple more robe belts here, and I also have a queen size duvet. That one I used a comforter for, and I found it wasn't quite as thick and sturdy as I would like. And I also think that's a double, but this is a queen and it's a duvet, so it's got a little bit more thickness to it. So what I'll do is I'll open it up. It's a nice big square, and I did realize if I just fold it in half and in half and in half again, it was really long and a little bit too narrow. So what you could do if it's too long and too narrow, because you kind of want it just the height of your spine, probably from the top of your head to the base of your tailbone, you can fold it in thirds, and it will give you a little bit better shape to use for your bolster. So kind of need a little bit of space, or you can do this right on top of your bed. Just fold it right up on the bed, and then you can roll it on the floor. I'm going to make it as even as I can, just to make sure there's not too many bumps or lumps. And from here, I'll fold it in half, nice and long. And then starting at the nice folded edge, leaving the open edges at the end, I'm going to start to tightly roll it. Keep it as tight as you can, and that'll allow for some nice firmness. And this should make a pretty cozy bolster, and slide your belt underneath. I'm just tying mine in a nice tight bow, but if you want to be sure it doesn't let loose, you could do a knot. And here's the second one here. So this can be used to either lay on or support part of your body. Often we put our legs over top of it. So there you go, so nice firm bolster ready to be used. And you can stay tuned to my next video, how to set up 30-degree angle pose with a variety of props from your house. Thanks.